Hey guys, we're going to be doing a rainy evening roleplay and credits to this bohemian house. I'll go to Toca. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, it's time for the kids to come home. And let me just go here and see what the rain is like. Oh, it's raining pretty hard actually. I'll get myself some tea while waiting. So now I'm in the kitchen and I'm just gonna get myself some tea. I'm gonna just get this cup and this tea. So warm. And guys, I know that it is like kind of summer for me, but I still made it look spring because I really like spring, to be honest. I think today the kids will have soup because to warm them up from the rain. Okay, kids, we're home. Come on, go in. It's raining pretty hard now. Oh my gosh, I love the rain, but it's so hard. I'm wet. Me too. Oh, hi guys. I'll make something for you to eat. Yeah, it can be something really like fall-ish for me because I want something really cozy and fall-like, even though it's like spring right now. Yeah, sure. I'll start making it now. And what do you guys want? Can I have strawberry milk, please? And can I have the banana milk? Oh yeah, sure. Yay! Can we just put my umbrella right here? Okay, kids. Let's go inside. Okay, I will need to do my homework a little bit. Let me just sit here and start doing it. Okay, so before I make anything, I will be needing to take a little shower. A little bit, even though I already took a shower, I just feel like I need a little cozier shower. It's just like a really nice vibe to take a shower in, and the rain might go away soon. And I like taking shower, like, with vibes of the rain. So yeah, let me just go to the bathroom. So I'm here now in the bathroom. Let me just put this right here. So I'm just gonna brush my teeth, even though I brushed my teeth already. Okay, turn it off. And I'm going to change into my bathrobe. Let me take a shower. So I'm done with the shower, and I did actually wash my hair as well. And I'm gonna put my hair clip in the basket first. And I'm gonna just roll my skin a little bit. I don't really need the face mask. I'll just put in some serum. And some of this. And now I'm just gonna dry my hair. Okay, I'm done drying my hair now. And let me just change into a really comfortable outfit. And I'll meet you guys at the kitchen. Okay, now I'm done, and I'll just be making some strawberry milk first. And just put the strawberry in the blender. And we're gonna get some milk. Okay, this looks good. Oh my god, what is the love with water? Maybe I'll try again. Okay, so I'm done with the twins' drinks. Now I'm gonna make Charlotte's. She said she wants something to be autumn-like, so I'll just make it now. I'll make something for Zara as well. So we have this, like autumn, like frappe, and it has strawberry punch, juice, soda, whatever you call it, and some porridge. Let me just call them real quick. Okay, enjoy. Thanks, Mom. Oh my god, why did I fill up with water? It is actually so good. Let me put it in the sink. Okay, looks like we're all done, Mom, but what should we do next? Well, it's like evening now. What do you want to do? Either stay in your room or stay in your room and wait for me to make dinner, or you want to go out in the rain? I want to go out in the rain. Same. Well, okay, I guess go with your dad. Okay, I'll make some dinner. Okay, can we just go by ourselves? Ask your dad first. I'll just start making some dinner. Dad, can we please go and play in the rain? Oh, okay. Just get ready. Yay! Come on, let's go. Okay, Dad, we're ready. You can go play in the rain. This is so fun. Don't mind the baby there, guys. I'm so happy. This place is so nice in our house. Yeah. Jump, 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 jump. Later. I'm starting to smooth. Chew. Okay, we'll go inside. Come on. I wish we could play more. Man. So right now I'm gonna basically take a shower before the twins, and I'm gonna put some sanitizer onto the twins as well. Okay. Here you go. Okay, I'm done with that, and I am gonna take a quick and simple shower. After dinner, we're just gonna go to bed or like watch something. So yeah, put this on, and I'll put this on later because this is basically a shower cap because I couldn't find any shower cap. So yeah. Okay, time for me to take a shower. Okay, now I'm done, and let me just do a little skincare, a little bit, because why not? Just put on this and this. Some serum would help. And I'm also just gonna finish it with some more of the serum and some spray. Okay, I'm done now. Let me just dry my hair real quick, dry it up, and change into my PJs. So for the dinner, of course, I will make some spaghetti. So yeah, just get a pot. So I fill the pot with water, and I'm just gonna put in the spaghetti. And I know that Liam likes seafood spaghetti. I like cheese spaghetti, and the kids like sauce spaghetti. So I'm done, and looks so good. Okay, give it a try. I ate mine already. It was really good, honey. Oh, thank you. Now just put everything into the sink. Okay, kids, let's go. And it's starting to get dark as well. Okay, I'll feed Zara. Come on, let's go. You want to go to the living room? Here you go, Zara. Okay, just get the bottle. Now I'm going to get Zara to bed while I go into the living room and see what the kids are doing. Or you don't want to go to bed, Zara? Maybe she doesn't. Let's go to the living room. Okay, I'll put her here. And I'll just put the bottle here. Oh, nice playing, Charlotte. Thanks, Mom. I've been quite bad. I miss those old times when everybody knew how to play piano. Oh, stop it, Mom. Twins. Didn't your teacher tell you that you have to read as well? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we have to read. Okay, and if you have any homework, just tell me, okay? Okay, Mom. They're watching the super cute yoga channel. Oh, that's cool. It looks like she wants to go to bed now. I'll get her some milk, and I'll put her to bed. Okay, I'm gonna put her in here. And I don't know why Charlotte's credit card is in here. I'm gonna put on her pacifier to put this down. And I'm gonna put on this sleeping bag as well because she might get cold. Perfect. Here, Charlotte's your credit card. Oh, thanks, Mom. I'll go to bed now. Oh, you're going to bed and I'm going to bed. But let me just good night to the kids. Okay. Okay, put the ukulele down and let's go to bed. Okay, put the TV remote down. Perfect, and let's go. Good night, Mom. 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 Looks like it's still raining. Good night. Good night. Guys, that's the end. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my other videos. And by the way, rate the house. Here is the house. Credits all go to Toca Narella. Like all of them, I love her so much. Yeah. Bye, guys.